Hello students, how are you all? In the last class we have discussed about reproduction, the young ones. That means the animals, they reproduce in two ways, laying eggs and giving birth to young ones. The animals that lay eggs, in that the small babies, they get hatched from the egg, and as they grow, they look like their parents. But when the animals that give birth to their young ones, they feed their babies till they start getting their own food, till they start eating their own food. And not only this, even the mammals, they care for their babies, they protect their babies till they can protect themselves, till they start growing and they can look after themselves. Till that time, the parents, they take care of the babies. Now we should say, even in human beings, you are very lucky that you have such a wonderful parents who always take care of you. You are lucky to have so much caring and loving parents. But children, there are some children, very unfortunately, who have lost their parents, who don't have anyone to take care of them, who don't have anyone to fulfill their needs. We are very lucky as our parents fulfill all our needs, but there are children, they are homeless children, they don't have any shelter, they don't have any home, they don't have any family to stay with them, to take care of them, to fulfill their needs. So, what should be done for them? Yes, so there comes the need of the parents. We all have the need of the parents, and like us, these homeless children, they also have the need of the parents. Now parents can be divided into three types. One can be natural parents. Now natural parents means the parents when they give birth to their children and they raise their children. That means when children are staying with their parents to whom they were born. I repeat, when the children, they stay with their parents to whom they were born, they have given birth to them. That is called natural parents. That means they have given birth to their children and they are raising their children, they are fulfilling all the dreams of their children. They are called natural children. Adoptive parents. Sometimes the couple means both male and female or husband and wife, they are called couples. Sometimes the couples may not give birth to the children. So what can they do? Children are very important part in everyone's life. So they need children. So what they do? They adopt these these homeless children. They are childless. Childless means they don't have children and they want children. So what they do? They adopt the homeless children and they take care of them. They raise them as their own children, and all these they do legally. Legally, I explained you in the last class also, means according to the law. That means according to the permission, with the permission of all the higher people authorities, they legally take that child and they adopt them. But they raise them as their own children, they love them, they care for them as their own children. So these parents are called adoptive parents, and the children, they are called adopted children. I repeat, these parents who adopt the children, they adopt these homeless children to raise them, to take care of them, they are called adoptive parents, and the children are called adopted children. Now the third one is foster parents. Sometimes we may be having the children, but due to some reasons, we may be, because of some charity or whatever we can say, we bring the children, the poor children, the homeless children, and we give them the food, we give them the shelter, and we give them all the education and whatever the other things are required by them. So that time, actually we are not adopting them, we are only are the couples who bring the other children, the homeless children, the children of poor people, and they fulfill all the needs of these children. They take care of them, they take care of their education and all, but not legally, only for short period of time. They keep them with them, and as they grow, they don't adopt them legally, just they are giving a backhand support to them. They are supporting their education, they are supporting their needs, they are supporting their shelter, everything. So they are called foster parents. Beta, many times due to the accidents or due to the natural disasters, the children, they lose their parents. They lose both their parents. Any natural disaster like cyclones are there, earthquakes are there. Because of that, when the child loses the parents, both the parents, and nobody is there to take care of them, they are given for adoption because somebody should be there to take care of them. So these type of children who don't have parents, they are given for adoption to these adoptive parents. So we should in India especially, we should encourage this adoption. Why? Because many homeless children will get a nice family, will get a good home, will get good food, good clothes, good education, and all the dreams may come true. So especially the people who don't have their own children can go for this adoption, as they can give a new life, a beautiful life to these homeless children who don't have parents to take care of them. And from our part, we should be very caring and very loving. We should behave like they are our friends with these type of children. We should not show any type of mismanagement or any type of what we can say hatred, or any type of they are like our enemies. We should not behave in that way, because they are same like us. They all are beautiful children. They all are nice children. Only thing, we have our parents with us who always take care of us, who always help us to keep us healthy, who has given us such a wonderful family, but they don't have these things. So if we see any child getting adopted, we should behave with him very politely, we should respect him, we should love him, we should show our care for him. So these are the parents, natural parents, adoptive parents and foster parents. So because we want to give everybody, we are happy, it's a good thing, but we should see all other also to be happy. So this is one of the major steps that we can take. And as a children, what you can do? You can share your things, you can share your love, you can care for them to fulfill their needs, you can help them in whatever way you can. So this is our chapter. Have a nice day and keep smiling.